folks, it's me again. I'm just trying to get these clips off. Apparently you gotta take this and then give it a little tap. It should come right up. Here's the wiggle one. Ouch. Use a hammer. I should move all this shit out of the way. Put it on the table here. See what I'm doing. Turn the light on. Let me fix this. I'm trying to get the little metal, this clip right off here. Can't really tell what I'm doing, but it's kind of hard. Try not to break that. They still sell these, so there's no point in keeping them. I already broke this one, but you have to, like, learning how to take this shit apart is, like, it's easy to put this shit together. Oh, don't quote me on that, but some of the stuff is, it's easy to put together, it's not easy to take apart. See, and I got new ones somewhere. Now this part is going to be fun because, see, I can't really get in there. The covers in the way. At least I learned how. So if you want to take these clips off and buy new ones, take a flat screwdriver and just bend it all the way up, and just put the screwdriver on a slight angle just to cover it, and then gently tap it, and it should just come popping right up. You shouldn't need excessive violence on it, unless it's the last one that's looking. You're only going to see this part right here, and if you want to get it off there, you put this screwdriver right on here like this, and you push it straight down. They come up pretty easy. Yeah, I could always, like, you know, maybe clean it off, but I'm gonna take this whole thing apart, clean it off. I'm trying to get the one that has the least amount of scratches on it. Apparently, these are hard to come by. You have most couture residue on them, so I'm gonna try to wash this all off. And I don't know if this is, there we go, Airbox hose. It's still got some flex to it. I don't know if this will come off too. Not sure what the hell this is. Is it a drain hose or what the hell? I don't know. I'm not sure. Plastic VG84H. So that's for that. I should take this off too. What the hell was that? Yeah, just some freaking thing. Before I do that, let me get a plastic bag. I always buy a box of sandwich bags and just use them. Also, use a Japanese, what was it, GIS? Japanese Industrial Standard thing. That's for the battery. That's for the plate here. That in there. Oh wait, before you do that, you put that in the Airbox. Just so I know what the hell it's for. I'll reuse these screws for now because I don't think I purchased new ones, or if they're unavailable, but I'll clean this up, give it a little shine. don't think it's melted, is it? I'm guessing it comes that way. I don't know. Maybe it's like that, I don't know. So yeah, I'm just going to take the clips off. What I'm going to do is bring it home, wash it, scrub it with soap and water, and I'm going to use this stuff on it because it makes stuff a little bit darker. And see how it goes. It's I also got to take these off here. Rubber parts, these should come off. Right, this comes off and it slides off. There we go. See, some of them are a little bit crusty, dusty. A lot of rubber pieces are nice. Like if you get them, if you wash them off, they come out pretty good. So I'll take this out of here. Well, these rubber parts don't usually come off too easy because there's always a little piece of rust in there. And I could still use them, but if they're not available, I will replate them myself. If they are available, I will just replace them and save them for the other one. So this is all for the Airbox. This I'll just polish up and put it back on there. Maybe I'll just paint a barbecue paint or something, or a high heat paint. So what I have left is this and this, and there's no rubber seal. I think I can reorder it. And I'll put the new clips on it. I'll put this back on there, and I should be able to put it on the bike actually, because I think I have the bolts, I have the clips. This I'll give probably a air, instead of put an air hose, and will that fit in there too? I don't know. This fit in there. It's always something that never fits. That's for the Airbox. This is it's air filter box. Okay. Probably just clean this up. Blow through my compressor and install it back in there. And I think I have a random air filter. That'll be one thing I'll be reinstall the bike. And this I'll probably find the hose. Ta-da! Yay! So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.